My name is Barak Dagan and I'm a professional balloon artist. I've taught thousands of students around the world how to make balloon animals. I've also participated in a Guinness World Record in China and have publicly exhibited my work. But enough about me. What you may not know about balloon twisting, as I like to call it, is that young children love it. However, even more interesting is the fact that creating balloon animals can actually boost your child's self-esteem, self-confidence, and create an opportunity for you to bond with them. As you may know, self-esteem is one of the most important personality traits for kids because it's crucial to happiness later in life. Furthermore, the benefits don't end there. Balloon twisting will give your child a sense of accomplishment and improve their hand-eye coordination. But don't take my word for it. As you'll learn in the letter below, child psychology experts have said that kids may substantially benefit from learning skills such as creating balloon animals. That's because instead of merely watching balloon animals being made, teaching kids to do it empowers them. In other words, you're helping them become more confident and self-assured. You're also helping them develop better motor skills and spatial cognition. In short, it helps them live a better life and achieve more in the future, which as parents is something we all want for our children. And that's why I'm pleased to announce my new video-based training course, The Secrets of Ballooning with Bob and Barak. It will teach you and your child everything you need to know, step by step, about making beautiful balloon animals. At this point, perhaps you're wondering why my course is better than the rest. Well, there are several reasons. 1. It was designed specifically for young children. 2. Bob, my puppet co-star, helps keep the show entertaining and engaging. And 3. The entire course is shot in high-quality video and audio. You learn to create 8 different projects that kids will love, and you will get 2 great bonuses. There's simply nothing else like it. In fact, I'm so sure your child will benefit from my course that I offer a 30-day money-back guarantee. So try it out for yourself, risk-free. For complete information, please see the letter below.